So a few weeks ago I went to the Chanel exhibition at the V&A, which is the Gabrielle Chanel Manifesto exhibition, and I haven't shared it with you. It's been on for quite a while and I wasn't able to get tickets for it for quite a long time. It was sold out, and then towards the end of when the exhibition was on, they extended it a little bit and there was more tickets available, so I was able to go along and see the exhibition. So yeah, I haven't shared it with you yet, so I thought I would share it with you in this video anyway. And at the end of the video I have a little unboxing that I did from Chanel, so stick around to see what I got from the 24S Spring Summer 2024 collection, because I got something really cool. So yeah, anyway, I will get on with showing you the exhibition. Okay, so we are just on our way to the Chanel exhibition at the V&A. I can't remember what it's called now. What's it called? Chanel, Coco Chanel, Gabrielle Chanel Manifesto or something. Yeah, so I wanted to get tickets for it, but it was sold out for ages. My battery's already running out, so that's not good, is it? So yeah, couldn't get tickets, but I managed to get some tickets, so we're gonna go and check it out. And I might go to the Chanel boutique to see my sales associate before we go there, and yeah, the Chanel on Walton Street, so might do that. Nice, right? Cute. Just went to Chanel quickly. Now we're going to go into the V&A, which is right here. My camera battery is still flashing, but yes, it's just over here. So So yeah, that was the exhibition. I really enjoyed it. It was really interesting to see, you know, what parts of Chanel are actually Coco Chanel, what elements did she actually create at the brand, and what signature codes do we still see in the brand today. And yeah, it was just really interesting to see, you know, from the very beginning of her career and how it developed, and how what we know of Chanel now, what it is compared to what she created for the brand. So yeah, so anyway, on to my unboxing, which is something that's not really very Coco Chanel, but it is quite Karl Lagerfeld Chanel. But it's not, obviously, because Lagerfeld is no longer with us. But this is from the new collection, the 24S collection. But yes, it's obviously designed by Virginie. But so it's a new design, but it resembles a design from the 90s. So yeah, early 90s Chanel. You know I'm a big fan. I love like the vintage Chanel look from the early 90s, that like Karl Lagerfeld did, anything that sort of resembles that. And I love the fact that Virginie is doing a lot of that now, and it really makes me excited to shop at the brand now, because I always like that part of Chanel, and it wasn't always there in the Lagerfeld years, especially the later years. So yes, this is definitely very early Lagerfeld, very much of the early 90s Lagerfeld collections. So yeah, this is the box that it came in, very cute, with the little camellia. So yeah, I'll unbox it for you. Take this off. Oh. So yes, I was very excited to get these. So I'll show you what is in the box. So it is a pair of sunglasses from the new collection. This is the box that they come in. The box is like really chunky. And then this is, what else? There's a little cloth and stuff in there. So yeah, look how chunky the box is. It's massive. This is the little case for it. And it's actually really cute because it's got like a different sort of design on there, which is a little bit of alluding to what the sunglasses are. This is obviously a sunglass case. I don't know if I said that, but yeah. So yeah, these are from the new collection. I'm really excited about them. So this is what I got. These are the new chain sunglasses with the chain hanging down. I love them. They're so cool. So yeah, they have these little things on, which I haven't had before. But... So yeah, let me put them on and show you what they look like. So yeah, I mean, how amazing are these sunglasses? They are so cool. So yeah, these resemble a pair of sunglasses from the early 90s. I will show you the collection that they are resembling, basically. So yeah, this is the Chanel Catwalk book, which is really good. It has like all the collections in it for, you know, last, I can't remember, all throughout Karl's career, basically. So yeah, these are the sunglasses that they are resembling, these ones here from this collection. So yeah, if you can see that, really, really cool. This is the Autumn Winter 1992. So yeah, that's where they're kind of getting inspiration from. And yeah, obviously they've got this black and gold chain and the chain on the top. You can wear them like this as well, which I don't really, I mean, it's okay, it's all right. But I like it like hanging in the front. But this is a little bit more subtle, I think. Yeah. You can also like wear them just like hanging like that, which I like as well. So yeah, these are from the spring summer 2024 collection, and this version, the sunglass version, were not actually on the runway with the chain hanging down. They had a version that was the same as this basically, but they were glasses, like, yeah, like reading glasses or whatever. And they had a couple of other versions. They had like a visor version which had just the chain on the top, and they had another version with just the chain on the top, which were glasses. Those were the ones that were on the runway, and then they did those other ones with just the chain on the top that were also glasses, and then these were in glasses and sunglasses as well. But yeah, so I didn't know that these were gonna come out, but I did suspect that they were going to do a sunglass with the chain hanging down, like the ones, like the pair from the early 90s collection. So I was kind of like waiting. I didn't pre-order them because I was like, well, I don't know what ones are gonna come out. So I waited to see which ones came out. And so I got these ones, which I'm really, I just love them. They're so cool. And also when they were on the runway, they didn't feature this little CC charm here. Maybe I'll show you a like video of the runway collection when they were featured on the runway. So they were basically worn like this, but they were like glasses, and they didn't have the little CC which is hanging down here. So they added that. I don't really like that. I kind of wish that it was without it. I don't think it kind of makes the chain a bit get more twisted. So I kind of don't really see the point of it, but they seem to just add CCs onto everything. So yeah, those are the sunglasses that I got from the spring summer collection. So yeah, these were also worn by Edina Monsoon in Absolutely Fabulous. The door handle episode, she wore these in that episode. Maybe I'll show a picture of them as well. So yeah, they just look so cool on her in that episode, and yeah, I really wanted them. So when I saw that they had this version, I was like, oh my god, I have to get it. I kind of always wanted them to bring back these sunglasses because they're just so cool. I mean, they're not the same as the ones from the 90s, but they're just more wearable version, I feel like. So yeah. Also, I noticed in the store, in this case, it's really cool because it's got like a little thing here, if you see. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but the case has got like a little pouch for you to put the chain into. So you can like, there's like a separate bit for the chain to go into. So I guess so the chain doesn't like scratch onto the sunglasses. So that's really cool as well. They weren't cheap. I knew they weren't going to be cheap if they had the chain hanging down like this, because, you know, Chanel just loves to make things more expensive. So yeah, they weren't cheap. The version without the chain on the, like with the chain on the top was like half the price of these ones. But these ones are just so cool. I did try on the version with just the chain on the top. I didn't like the shape of them. The shape is slightly different than these ones. And I just didn't like the shape of it. I didn't like the way that the chain kind of like went up and down. Whereas this one, the chain is a little bit more like straight on the top. So I preferred that. And the visor ones I tried as well, and I really didn't like those ones. And I didn't like the glasses version either. I knew I didn't want the glasses, because I knew I just wouldn't wear them enough, but like as sunglasses, I think I'll get a lot of wear out of them. And I have the pair of like the black sunglasses from the spring summer 22 collection, which have this little CCs on the side, and I didn't want anything that was like too similar to those. And these are like quite different because of the chain, you know. So yeah, but I thought if I just got the ones with the chain on the top, they would have been a bit similar, you know. And yeah, I don't know if I would have reached for them. What I was worried about when getting the ones with the chain as well was that it might be a little bit too much of a statement, and then that meant that I wouldn't wear them. But I kind of feel like they are just enough of a statement, and this is what I think Vergeny does really, really well. They're not like so in your face that they're like not wearable, because I've had sunglasses in the past where they've been such a big statement that I felt like I just couldn't wear them because I just felt like silly wearing them. Whereas these, I just feel like they're just enough, and I think that is what Vergeny does really well, is she brings in that like 90s vibe a lot of the time, but she kind of makes it more wearable for today. And so yeah, I mean, yeah, I really, really like them. I really like them because the chain on the ones from the 90s was much thicker. Yeah, if you can see, the chain was like a lot thicker, and yeah, I mean, the gold was much more gold. Like the gold on these is not super yellow gold or anything either. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with them. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Chanel exhibition at the V&A as well. The exhibition, I don't think it's on anymore, which is a shame, but I thought that was also a good time to show you the exhibition as well, because I always feel like if I see a video of someone going to an exhibition that I haven't been to, I don't want to watch it in case like I go to the exhibition and then it's going to like spoil it for me. So yeah, you can't see it anymore, you can't go to the exhibition anymore, so I thought it was kind of a good time to show it. So yeah, I just put the chain in there like that. So yeah, and then this little CC detail on the front here, if you can see, obviously resembles like the chain on the bag, the chain with the leather going through it, but it doesn't actually have leather going through the metal, it's just resembles that kind of look. So yeah, I think that's quite cool. It's a bit different, but this case is just so huge. So yeah, you need a big bag if you want to take these in there, but you could obviously put the sunglasses into a smaller case as well. So yeah, that's my little Chanel unboxing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I can't wait to wear these sunglasses. I think they're going to be so cool to wear this summer and spring. So yeah, that's all for this video. So I will see you in my next one.